Well, I think the significance of the naming ceremony is, one, we're naming this incredible, iconic ship, and it's a long maritime tradition. It's a very important moment. It's the creation, the birth of something new. This ship, like other ships, will voyage for many years in the oceans of the world. It's kind of a ceremonial, symbolic moment, so it's very meaningful. I think the other reason that a naming ceremony is so incredibly important is that it's really a transition period from everybody who designed, the architects, the builders, the construction, the shipyard. It's a kind of a magical moment where all of this work that took place over many, many years with so much human endeavor, it's now kind of accomplished. And so it's an opportunity to thank people, thank everybody for all of the hard work, recognize teams and people who just went above and beyond over many, many years to create something genuinely quite special and beautiful. It's obviously for the icon of the seas, truly the godparent has to be an icon. And of course there are many icons in the world, but Mr. Messi truly is a global icon.
Well, when we wake up every day with our mission of delivering the best vacations in the world, and having that level of focus for 7 years in designing and developing and inspiring what that perfect family vacation is, and knowing all the effort that went into that during that period of time, to be at the point to name the ship, to effectively launch it into that mission is just an incredible day for us. And it's a day that really puts a line on us now being able to go out and deliver the best vacations in the world, and nothing is better than that. Well, when we knew we were forming this partnership with Inter Miami, and we had Lionel and his wife on the ship and his kids, and we were doing the videoing and everything else, watching him with his wife and his kids and how engaged and how he really put them first versus everything else that's going on in this world. He's obviously an absolutely iconic, he's the GOAT in football, but watching how he prioritized family, and we're so focused, especially with the Royal Caribbean brand, on family. Icon is designed around family. We knew that he was the perfect person to be our icon for Icon.
And our talented Icon crew footballers.
Welcome our icon of Icon, Mr. Lionel Messi.
It's been a long and incredible journey, 7 years, and really our dream has now become a reality. And we believe we've created the world's best family vacation. I hope you'll agree. It's been an exciting journey getting to this point with this incredible ship. And it's only the Royal Caribbean family that is capable of creating such an exceptional vacation. Because we have a shared vision, and we've had a shared vision for a long time. It all started with our founder, Mr. Ed Stephan. He had a dream to create a cruise company that sailed year-round from Miami with ships never seen before. And although he is no longer with us, I hope that Mr. Stephan is looking down on us today with a great deal of pride.
There will be those cruising, Lord, this awesome icon of seas with their families and friends. We ask that you grant them an awesome
In this grand tradition of maritime ceremonies, we have chosen a truly exceptional individual to preside over this moment. One who has transformed his sport, the GOAT of professional football, Lionel Messi. He really doesn't need an introduction. I mean, he is the list of records throughout his career, which includes the World Cup in Argentina in 2022. He's also introduced a new era of excitement, passion for soccer in Miami and across the U.S., and I suspect he will forever transform the sport power and popularity here in America. The icon of his sport is now our icon for icon. As of course our icon of icon, will you please do us the immense honor of naming our beloved new ship, blessing her and all that sail on her for many years to come. Yep.
Bueno, muchas gracias, Jackson. Antes que nada, me gustaría agradecer a todo el grupo de Rocha Caribbean por darme este privilegio. Es un gran honor para mí. Sé lo que significa este barco para la ciudad de Miami y para el mundo entero. Así que sin más, nombro este barco Icon de Seas. Dios lo bendiga y a todos los que naveguen en él.
Bueno.
We did it! Congratulations, everyone. Icon is officially ready to create vacation history. Welcome to the family Icon of the Seas, and thank you all for joining us today for this iconic moment. We hope to see you all on board again very, very soon. God bless.